Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. We've got about an hour left on our turkey, and as you can see, it's getting nice and golden brown. I want to make sure that it doesn't get too brown on top, so I'm going to go ahead and tint it. And all that is taking a piece of foil and making it into a tint, and we're just going to lay it on top of our turkey, just like so. And that's going to help keep it from browning. Now, if we sealed it, you would be covering it and then steaming your turkey, and that's not what we want. We want it to continue to roast. So now that our turkey's tinted, we're going to go ahead and close the oven and let it continue roasting. When you tint the turkey, what it does is you actually cover it and you help prevent the skin from turning too brown. You want to make sure that when you tint your turkey, you don't seal it on the edges, because when you do that, you enclose the heat and begin steaming your turkey instead of allowing it to continue to roast. And that is how you tint a turkey.